Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning with RB. Myself Rakesh Patel. Have you ever thought about how you can take your Excel skills to the next level? What if you can automate your repeated tasks and create a custom functionality that is available in just a single click? Yes. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create add-ins in Excel. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open an Excel file, and we are not going to do any task over here. We are just going to create our modules in a developer. So let's go to the developer, Visual Basic. Okay, we have nothing over here right now. We are going to add a module like this. Okay, so to create add-ins, there are two type of functions. Okay, two type of procedures, I would say. One is a function and second is subroutines. Okay, functions can be accessible throughout the formula. In a formula, you can use the function, and subroutine can be accessed as an action. We are going to see both of them over here in this video. And to start, we are going to use function first of all. So let's create a public function and take a note that whatever add-ins are there, they are going to be a public one. Okay, so normal, we are not going to write a function, and that you have to start with a public function. Okay, and let's name it out. For example, hello friends. Okay, whatever you can name it out, we are just going to see a sample first of all, and then I will share you some of the functions that I have already written for my daily work. Okay, so let's say hello friends equal to, okay, so our function is just going to return a string hello friends. Okay, in normal case you can directly use this function in Excel like equal to hello friends, and if you close this, it is accessible. But right now, as we have this module in our file, it is accessible. Okay, so if you want to access the same thing in some another file or something like that, it won't be accessible unless you have created the template. So let's create this thing. To save this file, you don't have to say as a XML XLSM, but you have to save this file as a XLAM. Okay, this is going to be a add-ins file. Okay, I'm going to save this file in a desktop. You can save it anywhere you want. Just remember, hello. Okay, I have just created a name as a hello add-in, and this file is going to XLAM. Okay, so we did the first task. What is the next task? That we need to add this file into the add-ins list. Okay, and to do that, you have to go to file, options, and the option add-ins, you have to add that. Okay, here under the manage, you have to select Excel add-ins and then click on go. You will see the list whatever are already mapped with this. You have to add the file. Our file is not listed over here, so let's add it. Click on browse, and we have saved on our desktop, so hello add-in. Okay, this is selected and check mark is there. Click OK. Now what happened? Again, still the functionality is there. Hello friends, still the functionality is there. But now what happened if you close the Excel file? I'm not saving it out, and I'm just going to open a normal file, blank file. Okay, this is the blank file, fresh new one. And even if I type hello friends, I'm getting that functionality. So this is the way you can use the add-ins for the function. And if you see the macro file, you can already see that add-ins is additionally added to the project. Okay, because you already added in the add-ins list, so you can see the list here. Further, you can also modify this as you wish. So this is a function that we can call through the formula. Now let's see how we can call this through the ribbon. For the ribbon, we need to create a subroutine for this. For example, hello, and let's just simple space the message MSG box hello. Okay, and let's save it. As we did not protected this file, it is allowing us to modify. Okay, I'm just closing it, And now for this thing, we are not going to use the formula. We want to add some functionality over here. Okay, so let's create a new tab. First of all, right click on the ribbon and click on the custom ribbon. Here you have to create a new tab. Okay, I'm creating a new tab. You can drag wherever you want. I have added at the last, and I'm just renaming it with the RP. Okay, default there is a one group. You can rename or whatever you like, but to add that functionality you have to click over here and select macro. Okay, and you can see our subroutine over here as a hello. I am just going to add in the group and click OK. Now you can see I have a new ribbon option as a RP where I have the this thing and the new group is there. Okay, I'm just clicking on it. See, we are getting this message. Now whenever you open your Excel file, you can see this functionality up front. Okay, so you can use this function or anything. Okay, I have also created some of my routine ones. I'm just going to add that also, so you can know it. For example, this one, custom rupee edit. Okay, in this, some of the functions I already created equal to, see, these are the initial functions that I have created that help me in my daily work. For example, rupee format is there. Okay, if I put 12345, okay, it will return me rupees 12,345 only. Okay, whatever the amount I put, I get the answer. So this is how you can use your Addins in your daily task. And that's it, friends. Congratulations. You have just created your first Excel Addins. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. See you in the next video. Bye.